Hi, my name is Jenny Smith. I'm a networking strategist and founder of Networking Know Who, and welcome to this week's 2-minute networking tip of the week. So the 2-minute networking tip of the week this week is smile. Really simple, but very powerful nonetheless. So giving a smile is a great way to create a really positive first impression, especially if you're in a physical networking event. There's a lot of people who are in conversations. If you can make eye contact with someone, give them a nice little smile. It's a great, friendly, lovely first impression to make to someone. And it also shows that you're very welcoming as a person. And in a physical networking event or on an online networking event, giving a smile is almost an indication and like a welcoming sign for people to come and chat to you. They're going to be more likely to approach you, which is going to help take away from that awkward moment when your conversation ends, you've got no one else to chat to. Give a smile at someone, make eye contact, and they'll come to you. It also actually changes your tone of voice. So when you're smiling, your voice sounds a lot happier. Whereas if you're not smiling, your naturally voice goes a little bit more like this. I've got a bit monotone there to emphasize the point that I'm making. But if you do smile, it does make you sound a lot happier. So even if you're on a remote networking event and you don't want your camera on, which you should have, but if you don't, smile while you're talking and it comes across in your tone of voice. It's also going to make people remember you in a lovely, fond, positive way, which is always a great thing. So put a smile on your face, say hello, and get networking. So there you go. That's it. That's this week's 2-minute networking tip of the week. Creepy smile.